Many people have things about their house that they really aren't happy with, but the idea of doing a home renovation project is just totally overwhelming to them. But if you have the right combination of homeowner, architect, and contractor all working together as a team, then rather than being overwhelming and stressful, the whole process can actually be empowering and fun.
I have these emails from one client that go through the process of the construction part of her project that I'm going to share with you. So the first one, the subject line is, "Yay, Hope. I drove by the house today and Roger," that was the contractor, "caught me. It was great because he walked me through. It is just so exciting to see it happening. I love construction and I love seeing it unfold. Thank you, Helen." "Hi, Hope. I drove back down the shore smiling the whole way yesterday. What fun it was to see it with you." "Hi, Hope. I spent yesterday with the lighting guy at Capital Lighting. It was so much fun." All caps. "He's going to pull it all together and send it to me. I would love to look at it with you sometime. Also, I need your help with the size of some of the fixtures." Eek! I knew this would be fun. "This week I am tiles, vanities, and closets." I knew this was going to be fun. "I was there today. They pulled the tub out of the box. It is stunning. And I'm getting good at climbing the ladder." "I'm so happy to have finalized lighting. It was harder than I thought. Thanks so much for your advice. It helped." "Hi, Hope. I continue to be thrilled by the house. I'm going to Dallas on Wednesday morning. It is killing me to be away when I think he is going to start framing." Then I sent her an email. "Hi, Helen. I've been talking with Roger almost daily about progress and tweaks and options when he runs into a snag. I went over there today just to see it in person and take some photos. Wow, that porch is going to be spectacular." And she answered me, "Hope, it is all so amazing. It takes my breath away. I love it. I love the whole process. We were blown away when you first shared your vision. To see it unfold is crazy cool. My neighbors have come out when I've been there and everyone loves it. And the stair tower is the star. Thanks so much for everything." And as we're just about done, "We are hoping to get the CO tomorrow. I have all new stuff coming on Wednesday. I am so freaking excited. Come have wine with me." And I did. Then she sent me a photo of the master bedroom and said, "It is sheer magic here. Home sweet home," with a heart. And then she sent me, "And it's done. Thank you so much. Love it. I had lots of guests over the last month. Everyone has been out of their effing minds."